BJP has in fact released its second list of candidates for the Lok Sabha elections, and this time around 72 candidates' names have been released. Big states of Karnataka and Maharashtra has seen several names come out as well. To begin with, several union ministers in the fray, including 9 of them. The big surprise coming in over here with North Mumbai going to Piyush Goyal, sitting minister in the Modi government, the leader of the house in the Rajya Sabha, and of course Nitin Gadkari also getting a place back from Nagpur. That's the big piece of news that has come in. Prahlad Joshi continues to fight in from Dharwad. He is another sitting minister in the Modi government. Apart from them, Bhartiben Pawar from Maharashtra, Kapil Moreshwar Patil from Maharashtra, and these are the names that have been put out as far as the candidates are concerned in terms of ministers who have been fielded as well. A big development also coming to the fore with Karnataka having dropped 10 sitting MPs and making way for several other MPs still to be announced out of the 20 seats that have actually been announced so far. Shobha Karandlaje, who was in fact facing a lot of backlash from a seat in Chikmagaluru, has now been moved back to Bangalore. She's going to be the contender for Bangalore North. That seat was occupied by Sadanand Gowda, who faced the axe as far as this Lok Sabha election is really concerned. Raksha Khadse coming back to the electoral fray, very importantly from Maharashtra. Another name of Pankaja Munde, who is Gopinath Munde's daughter. She's going to contest this particular election as far as that is concerned. Another sitting minister who hails from Gujarat, Darshaben Jardosh, has been dropped, from Gujarat. So Gujarat seeing quite a few names being changed in the remaining seats that have been there as well. Anis Ferozia, who is a sitting MP from Madhya Pradesh in Ujjain, he has been repeated. And of course, a candidate has also been named. Mrs. Sahu has been named as a candidate who will take on Kamal Nath's son, Nakul Nath from Chhindwara. The BJP also putting out the names of media convener Anil Baluni to contest from Uttarakhand, and Union Minister Anurag Singh Thakur also retains his seat as far as Hamodpur is really concerned. The Saffron Party putting on hold the seats as far as contentious states like Bihar is really concerned, where of course alliance talks have to continue. But the BJP also dropping big names in Maharashtra, given the fact that sitting member of parliament, Manoj Kotal has been dropped, and in fact Mihir Kotecha has been given a position to contest in his place as well. Several more seats are expected to be announced in the next list, but with 195 seats in the first lot and 72 seats in the second lot, the BJP has made quite a few announcements and make them really, really fast so far.